guys, welcome back to Hanging Out with Lori. I'm Lori. If you're new here, welcome. I am glad you're here with us. Sorry about the window in the corner. I wish I could block it out, but I can't. And if I face the window, then you see everything. And so this is as good as it gets. Please excuse the people next door. They're having siding put on, so that's the noise, but it is hot in here, so I am hoping you can hear me over that noise and the fans that are going in the background. If you can't, and I find that out after I am done taping, I will retape, I promise you. All right, I didn't even know this came yesterday, and I was grabbing some stuff and this fell on the floor, and it is my BoxyCharm. I am excited about this month. I have seen mixed reviews about this month's BoxyCharm, so I'm intrigued yet terrified. I have yet to open this because I found it this morning and Jordan's at work, so we have not been able to do our unboxing like we usually do via FaceTime. So this is new to me and you. I have just popped this bad boy open, and let's see what this is. If you do not know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly beauty subscription box that is $21 a month. Usually we get 5 full-size items. Sometimes there's deluxe size, but usually it's full-size items. And the box values well over the $100, but or not over the $21. It definitely values over $100 most months. So you definitely get your money's worth with BoxyCharm, but some months is a hit, some months is a miss. It all depends on what you like, and so I am kind of worried because, like I said, I have seen mixed reviews. There's always this card that comes up on top that gives us a list of everything that's in the box and its value, and then there is coupons on the back, or codes on the back, and I will let you know what those are. It always comes with this nice protective cushion surrounding it, which I think is amazing, because that way they're really trying to protect the items in this box. So with that being said, let's jump in. The first thing I'm just grabbing here is this Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. You see that? It's by Note, and the box says it is in the color Desert Rose. I have never had anything by Note before. I don't know anything about them. In fact, this blush does have argan oil in it according to the box, and if Lori can open it, okay. That's cool. It has the name Note. Can you see that? Stamped onto the blusher. They must be out of a different country since they're calling it blusher. Okay. It's kind of dark. It is a peach blush, and I do like peach blushes. They don't always look so great on me, but that's okay. I'm hoping this will blend out nicely and just be a nice light color. Yeah, it does. It's kind of made a mess of my hand, but that's okay. And I don't have any makeup wipes. So that is Note, and it comes with a little brush on the inside. I don't think I'll ever use this, but you never know. In a pinch, I might be out and about with blush in my bag and have to use the brush. But that is Desert Rose. I do like that. Let's see how much it retails for $12. So that's not bad. The next one is Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage. It's an eye depuffing gel. So I'm kind of excited to try this. It's supposed to help with puffiness and dark circles, if I remember right. So, and I have serious dark circles. And that values for $42, so that is double the price of the box itself. Oh, I forgot to tell you, the title of the box this month is called Road Trippin'. So, sorry it's in the middle, but that is what we are tripping on the road. I would like to go on a road trip. Okay, the next one is this Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. As you guys know, I don't do my eyebrows very often. I heard that if you are on YouTube and you don't do them, you're gonna get harangued at some point. But I have thick eyebrows, and I think I look like a dork when I have it. Okay, your cream is in this one end, and then the other end. Oh, here I'm pulling to pull that off, and it screws off. And then you have your little brush, angled brush. So I'm assuming, now that I probably broke it, you dip it in, go doo -doo 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 -doo, and then you have your eyebrows done. So I may or may not try that. I don't think taupe is quite my color. I think it's probably more of Jordan's color. So I will see if she wants to try it. If she doesn't, I will give it a go. She has some other eyebrow products that I've sent to her, so she may not. But this Cella, there it is, $26 for this. Well, I'm not quite sure what makes it worth $26. So, then we have this Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. It is in a full-size item. All of these things that I've shown you thus far are full-size items. It comes in the color, I don't know. It has the word tarmac on here, so I am going to make the assumption, which is never a good thing to do, that that's the name of it, because I don't see a name anywhere else. This is a full-size item, so I don't know. I'm not going to open it up because I don't know if I will keep it or not, since I don't use full-size mascaras, but I am so intrigued. I love Wander Beauty, and so I am intrigued by this, and I want to try it. But I'm terrified that I won't be able to use it since it's full size and I can't control those longer wands. But it's a decision Lori will have to make. If I decide to try it, I will let you know. And this retails for $24. Yes, it retails for $24. And it says it's black and intensely glossy, and it will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. So that is the Wander Beauty mascara. And then the next thing I have is down here at the bottom. And let us open it. It's nicely packaged in this bubble wrap, and it is the Crown eyeshadow palette. I'm assuming it's an eyeshadow palette. I've had other things by Crown. I love their brushes, but I've never been really impressed with their makeup. But I'm gonna show it to you upside down so I don't take you out. those are the colors. They're pretty. They go with the blush color. We've got some shimmers, we got some mattes. All right, now I thought I was doing well, but obviously not. And that is the whole palette. Those are very pretty colors. Now, they're just from me swatching, there is a little fallout on the palette itself. You can see the little bits on the gold. So that's kind of a bummer, but we'll see how bad the fallout is when I actually use it. And I don't know if you guys are interested in the Get Ready With Me with these items or not. If you are, leave it in the comment section down below. If I get enough people interested, then I will do one. I just don't know if I have anything interesting that you guys want to hear me talk about while I do my makeup, but if there's enough interest, I will do it. That palette, it says retails for $30. So BoxyCharm is worth it this month for this, the Needles No More, No More Baggage, the Wander Beauty mascara, even though I'm not quite sure I'm gonna keep it, but I love their products. So, and then this Note blush, which I am very excited. So what is the thing I am most excited to try? It is that Dr. Brandt's Needles No More, No More Baggage. I am way excited to try that. Okay, the codes on the back, one is for Wander Beauty. It's Wander Charm 07. It's good until August 18th. And I will leave these down below as well. And the other one is for Pharmacy, which must be in the other box that is out and about. And I love Pharmacy. And it is also 20% off, and that code is CHARM20. So what do you think of the BoxyCharm this month? Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. All right, that is my BoxyCharm for this month. You guys have a great day. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. That would mean the world to me, and I will see you next time.